This property is a 5-bedroom stone house with garage situated in San Felice del Molise at 30 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. The house avails of 3 floors. The main entrance is situated on the ground floor, and we immediately find on the left a dining room with a fireplace. And the kitchen. The two rooms are separated by a thin partition wall that can be easily removed to create a large open space. Proceeding, we find on the right a large living room facing the paved patio. This floor also avails of another room that can be converted into a single bedroom. And it has also access to the basement floor. That is internally connected with the house, but it also avails of its own main door. The basement is also equipped with a bathroom with laundry facilities and also a woodshed and a cellar. A staircase takes us upstairs, where we find a large bathroom with both shower and bathtub. A single bedroom now used as an office room. And 2 large double bedrooms. The house also avails of an attic floor where you can see a brand new roof. Outside, the house enjoys a little outdoor space completely paved and an extra room that can be used as a garage. The house has all utilities connected, including central heating system. It is in habitable conditions. It just needs some cosmetic works and it's on the market for 75,000 euros.